Recapping your Sunday, we saw 54 degrees for your high temperature, so below average day, 38 for the low temperature, close to normal, but we did have a decent amount of sunshine pushing through for Mother's Day, nowhere near the record of 81 degrees set back in 1982 or the low temperature of 27 back in 1971, and we're already over 15 hours of daylight, and we're going to continue to see more of those hours to get brighter and brighter as we approach the summer solstice in the month of June. Today, though, we continue to warm up a little bit more into those 60s, 65 in Marquette, 63 in Munising, a little bit into those 50, those in Escanaba. So everyone else at least enjoying those 60s, 67 in Ontonagon. But the weather is quickly unraveling as we speak. Winds mostly have been out of the south throughout the day at 6 in Houghton, a little bit more out of the northeast at 8 in Ironwood, but everyone else more of a southeast or southerly flow at 15 in Marquette, 12 in Munising, and 9 in Escanaba. Now the next couple of days are going to be quite different than what we saw throughout your Mother's Day weekend. We had a good amount of sunshine push through with high pressure in control, but unfortunately we are going to be dealing now with low pressure. Weather is going to be changing very fast, already starting to see some of those first changes as we speak. The clouds rolling in, showers as well. We're going to also give a chance for some thunderstorms to develop throughout the next couple of days. Just make sure to have that rain gear with you. We could also see some heavy downpours that can cause some localized flooding. And also temperatures are going to be relatively warm tomorrow and Wednesday, but a cold front will push through late in the day on Wednesday, progressing into your Thursday, and we're going to see a nosedive in that mercury, and that's going to continue all the way into the weekend. The weekend, though, will be slightly better, but still there will be a chance of rain. For now, though, we are dealing with the first part of this storm. Good amount of showers already starting to push their way through parts of the western UP, especially over Ironwood and getting closer and closer to Marquette. We're also seeing a line of thunderstorms through parts of Minnesota and Iowa, and this is just the beginning of what we're going to be seeing. So we're going to see more of these type of bands through the next 48 hours. So we're going to call it more of a scattered thunderstorms as we progress through your Tuesday and even into your Wednesday. But numbers are really going to soar, especially along the Wisconsin border. In just a moment, you're going to see how high their numbers will be by the time we go into your Tuesday, progressing out a little bit more throughout the next couple of days, pushing a good amount of cloudiness, rain as well. And then by the time we see into your Thursday, there is a chance for that cooler air to spill in, and very, very small chance of any wintry precipitation. But at this point, with how late it is in the year and the fact the sun angle is so high, everything we are going to see is more than likely will be in the form of liquid, which is rain. For tonight, though, 48 degrees, increasing clouds, especially early on in the evening, late showers, and even a thunderstorm cannot be ruled out. Tomorrow, just scattered thunderstorms, but very mild, and in some areas a bit toasty. Some areas already floating with 80 degrees, especially in Crystal Falls and Florence and Iron Mountain at 78, 76 in Ontonagon, 65 in Houghton. And unfortunately, the first taste of summer is going to be coming in the form of rain and thunderstorms. A little bit cooler towards the east, though, at 64 in Munising, 60 in Escanaba. And day planner for your Tuesday, just make sure to have that umbrella with you. Sunrise occurring at 6:15 a.m. Best chances of rain will occur in the afternoon at 50%, but still at least a moderate chance of rain even going into the evening at 40%, and also throughout the morning. Next 7 days, like I previously mentioned, though, it's just not looking to be the best of 7-day forecast, with at least a decent shot of rain for at least a good 2/3 of the forecast. Tuesday through Thursday, at least over 50%, but much colder on Thursday. You can see the high temperature only at 46 degrees and slowly warming up as we progress into the weekend. 54 on your Saturday, still a small chance on your Sunday, and looking at least a little bit better as we start off the next work week on Monday.